Ever wondered what it feels like to build your home among the whispering leaves high above the ground? Welcome to a world where the ordinary rules of life don't apply. Here, the wild girl begins her adventure. Picture a girl not confined by four walls, but enveloped by the open sky and the rustling leaves. Her hands, though small, hold a determination that rivals the tallest mountains. She starts, not with bricks and cement, but with fabric and bamboo, the tools of her unique craft. Every tent begins with a sturdy foundation. And so the wild girl selects her bamboo with the precision of an architect, the eye of an artist. She finds the strongest, the straightest, the most reliable. She's not just building a tent, she's creating a sanctuary. Then the crafting begins. She bends the bamboo, manipulates it to her will, yet respects its natural form. She ties the pieces together, creating a skeleton that will support her home in the treetops. Each knot, each connection is a testament to her resilience, her resourcefulness. Now she drapes the fabric over her bamboo skeleton, transforming it from a mere structure into a protective shell. She secures it, ensuring that it will withstand the harshest winds and the heaviest rains. She's not just preparing for weather, she's preparing for life's unpredictable storms. And finally, she ascends. Climbing the tree with the agility of a squirrel, she secures her tent among the branches. She's not just placing a tent, she's placing her trust in nature. As the sun dips below the horizon, the wild girl surveys her work. Her heart swells with pride, her eyes sparkle with accomplishment. She's not just built a tent, she's built her confidence, her independence, her home. And so, as the stars twinkle their approval and the moon bathes her in its silvery glow, the wild girl slips into her treetop sanctuary. She's not just survived, she's thrived. And in the quiet rustle of the leaves, she finds a symphony of success, a testament to her spirit. In the heart of the wilderness, the wild girl has made her mark. She's not just built a tent, she's built a testament to the power of determination, the beauty of resilience, and the magic of believing in oneself.